Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best tree swings for kids and outdoor fun. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. Outdoor Garden Hammock Indoor Suspended Swing. A versatile hammock for kids, this suspended swing can be used both indoors and outdoors. It's perfect for kids' relaxation, therapy, or fun, and is designed to provide a gentle rocking motion that soothes and entertains. The advantages of this hammock are suitable for indoor and outdoor use, provides therapeutic benefits for kids, durable and safe for children. The disadvantages of this hammock are may require professional installation, limited weight capacity. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. Baby Bounce Seat Toddler Standing Door Exerciser. This bounce seat offers an active way for toddlers to develop motor skills while having fun. Designed for doorways, it allows babies to jump and bounce safely in place, encouraging exercise and enjoyment. The advantages of this bounce seat are promotes physical activity and motor skills, easy to set up in any doorway, provides hours of entertainment for toddlers. The disadvantages of this bounce seat are limited to door frame installation, may require constant supervision. At number 3. 3-in-1 Multifunctional Baby Swing. This multifunctional swing is designed for children aged 3 to 14 years old and can be used as a hanging basket, outdoor swing, or removable seat. It's great for kids to enjoy outdoor or patio activities with a sturdy and safe build. The advantages of this baby swing are multifunctional with 3 different uses, suitable for a wide age range, 3 to 14 years old, sturdy and removable design. The disadvantages of this baby swing are may require complex setup, not suitable for very young children. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. Swingset Outdoor Saucer Swing. This saucer swing is perfect for outdoor and backyard playgrounds. Designed for kids, it offers a fun way to swing and play both indoors and outdoors, making it a great addition to any play area. The advantages of this saucer swing are large, sturdy saucer design, suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, encourages active play and outdoor time. The disadvantages of this saucer swing are may need extensive space for installation. Weather conditions may affect durability outdoors. At number 1. Rope Swing Seat with Mounting Rings. This plastic rope swing seat comes with durable ropes and mounting rings, making it easy to set up for toddlers and young children. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor swinging fun. The advantages of this rope swing are easy to install with mounting rings, lightweight and portable design, suitable for young children. The disadvantages of this rope swing are not ideal for older kids due to weight limits, may require frequent adjustments to ropes.